Welcome to Learn to Swim with Sunshine. Let's learn about what to keep at our teaching stations.
Hey guys, welcome to Sunshine Swim. Today we're going to talk a little bit about our teaching tool bundle. And so here in our instructional areas, kind of our teaching areas, we keep them in a bin, but we do have a carrying bag for them as well. And what comes in our kit is some sinking toys. So we have diving rings, we have torpedoes, and these are all sinking items, maybe for, let's say, your older preschool swimmers or your intermediate swimmers about having to retrieve an object on the bottom of the pool. And we have floating toys such as rubber ducks and ping pong balls. And these are going to be for your toddler classes, for your preschool age classes where you're teaching how to blow out, or even have kicking races where they're kicking these items towards you, floating on top of the water. And then each kit comes with either a pair of adult goggles or a pair of youth goggles, just depending on kind of what your kiddo is looking for. And so these can either be used for fun, playing at the pool, or they can be used as teaching aids to help you achieve different skills. Thank you so much for joining Sunshine Swim Center. We'll see you at the pool soon.
Thanks for joining Learn to Swim with Sunshine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.